This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Are you getting my voice clearly? Kishan, Kiran, Sivali, Suresh, are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my voice?
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening. So, is there any doubt in our previous class, cost center and cost category? Any doubt, Kishan, Kiran, Nisha,
No, sir.
Sangeeta, Sivali, Sneha, Suresh, Wahib? Is there any doubt? Then
No,
you can
sir.
ask me. No doubt.
No,
Very
sir.
good.
No,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. So in our previous class, we have learned how to set the cost center and cost category and like salary given to our employees. So salary account will be indirect expenses and cost center should be yes. And in our cost center and cost category F11, F1 first we have to activate that, and after that GOT accounts info cost center cost category you have to create. In our category employees will be created and allocate revenue item, allocate non-revenue item, both options should be yes. And after that when we will create the salary ledger, cost center should be yes. And after that when we will make the payment entry, salary account debit like 50,000 60,000, then the breakup of cost center and cost category will be opened. And in our category we have to select the employees, and in our center area we have to select the name of the employees and then to cash or to bank. So this type of entries we have already done it, and I have already shared with your group question and cost center cost category already being shared. So I think you watch that and you have a practice at your home. So today we will learn advanced cost center. So in our previous class, I think advanced cost center we have started. Kishan, Kiran, हम लोग advanced cost center start किए थे क्या? Like primary under the newspaper, I think I have already
Yes, sir.
started,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. So you got the people because newspaper under the newspaper will be under cost center and it will be primary. When the name of the newspaper like Times of India, Sanmark, Anandabazar Putrika, all these newspaper also being created in cost center, and that will be not the under primary, it will be under cost centers. And when we will make the entries like advertisement expenses account debit to, so when we'll put the amount, the breakup will be given for the newspaper name like Anandabazar Patrika, Sanmark, Times of India, all these breakup should be given. So we have also done the advanced entries of cost center. So today we'll learn a predefined cost center. Okay, what is predefined cost center. So just watch it. This is called predefined cost center. Suppose on Ek Pachatra company has spent rupees 50,000 for the following godown rent. So predefined cost center means it is percentage wise breakup. Predefined cost center means percentage wise breakup will be show up here. Okay. So it will be the percentage wise breakup. So on 1518 company has spent itna for the following godown rents. Howrah godown 30%, Dalhousie 25%, Garia 45%. So this is the percentage wise breakup. In our previous session we have learned that a value wise breakup, but इसमें हम लोग percentage wise breakup set करेंगे. And the another question is 31st 5 commission paid 30,000 to the following staff. So Mr. Roy 20%, and Mr. Das 65%, Mr. Shen 15%. So all these predefined cost center should be defined with percentage wise. Okay. So it will be percentage wise breakup. So how we will make these entries, I will show you. So you people get this screen, or you can take the screenshot of this. So you will get the questions of predefined cost centers, and now I will show you step by step how we will make it. So you take the screenshot, then you will get the questions, and now I will show you step by step. You got it? Sharup, Sibali, Kishan, Kiran?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay, fine. So just write down the steps for the predefined cost center. Almost the same features, F11, F1. So a maintain cost center in our previous class, we have learned this. A cost category, you have learned this. And today we have to predefined cost center. So in our previous class, we have learned this maintain cost center, cost category, yes, and today we learn predefined cost center, yes. So you note down these things. This is the predefined cost center area. So when we will set yes and press enter, then the dialog box will come up, and where we will put step by step predefined cost center with percentage wise. Got it? Can I press enter? Kishan, Kiran, Sibali, Swarup, Wahib?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So use predefined cost center में जाएंगे, इसको yes करेंगे, और उसका पहले तो cost center और cost category तो yes है ही हम लोगों का, इसको भी yes करके रख देना and press enter. So this is the area you have to give your class name. Class name means predefined cost center name. So you just note down just class name and give a class name. For this, we are going to make this entry for our which one? This one, the go down rent, right? Okay, fine. So I just type here grent. Grent is our class name. Grent means the go down rent, and when we press the enter, so category is coming here. So you can create the category, but in some systems this type of categories are not not showing here properly. So those people, it will be better first you will create your cost center and cost category, then you will come into this center, into this area of the predefined cost center. And now you can create the cost center, yeah, and for the name of go down, and both revenue item and non-revenue item. In our previous class I have told you that all these things you have to, yes. And now create your center, Alt C. So some of the systems category is not showing here, so this time it is very problematic to select the category. So those people facing problem doing this, so first you just from the GOT accounts info cost center cost category, you will create your cost center and cost category, then you will come back here and set your percentage wise breakup. And now you will select the go down. And what is the name of the go down? First go down Howrah 30%, then Dalhousie 20%. Howrah it will be primary and it will be 30%. Alt C, Dalhousie 25%. So total will be the 100%. Okay. Goria will be the 45%. Just check it out. Dalhousie 30%, Howrah 30%, Dalhousie 25%, Goria 45%. So absolutely okay. We have done this percentage wise breakup here. And press enter. End of list. I think you people got it. So you can take the screenshot when you will do your practice, then it will be helpful for you. किशन, किरण, स्वरूप, शिवाली, any doubt? कोई doubt है तो बोल सकते हो?
No, sir, no doubt.
Very good. So just take the screenshot and don't forget to save this entry using the Control A. When you will press the Control A, then entire screen will be saved. And again you have to press Control A. So write down, you have to press Control A twice. दो बार Control A करोगे, then your entire things will be saved properly. So you have to save Control plus A twice. Then your entire thing will be saved completely. So this is our first steps. We have completed predefined cost center settings and percentage-wise breakup. We have already done it. Now we are going to make our entries. So it is a receipt type entry or the payment type entries. Kishan, Kiran, company has paid rupees itna. So it will be your payment type entry or receipt type entry.
Sir, payment.
Payment, very good. Then it will be the F5 payment type entries. Very good, Kiran, payment type. So first we will move payment, put the date 15 and just watch it and write down these things. So when we are making payment entry, so this cost center predefined class is showing here. So write down these things. These things is coming only for the predefined cost centers. For the predefined cost centers, these things are coming here. So now you have to select, click here and select the name. What is our predefined cost center name? Gerent. Sarup, Shivali, Kishan, I think Gerent is right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have to
Yes,
select
sir.
our gerent. What is our gerent? You just write down here cost center class name is our gerent. Gerent is our cost center class name. And what will be our ledger? Use Alt C. Go down rent. It is expenses indirect, and definitely cost center will be yes, and there will be no GST, so all GSTs are now not applicable. So write down the ledger name, go down rent. I'm typing here in short, GOD rent means go down rent, indirect expenses, and cost center must be yes, and then control A. And what is the entire amount of go down rent, Sharup?
हेलो
50,000.
सर
Yes, yes.
सर गो डाउन रेंट का लेजर एक बार दिखाइए तो
गो डाउन रेंट का लेजर एक बार दिखाएंगे, दिखा दिया आपको, देखिए. Any doubt? This is your go down
नो
rent
सर
under indirect expenses. Cost center are yes, or everything will be no. Got it? Can I save
यस
it?
सर
Okay, thank you. So this is your entire amount, 50,000, and entry will be made by cash and bank. Nothing is saying. So what will be there? Go down rent account debit to cash and bank. Shivali, Kishan, Kiran,
सर कैश
cash. Very good. So cash will be credited here. And this is the idea of the narration. But one thing we have already saved, are going to almost. Why go down rent is your direct expenses? Kiran, why you are saying go down rent to direct expenses hoga? जैसे factory rent. Factory rent is relating to your cost of production. Kiran, just listen carefully. Factory rent is your part of the cost of production. So that's why factory rent is our direct expenses, but go down rent is not be your direct expenses. Go down rent is your indirect expenses. Because after making the goods, that is the finished products are stored in your go down. So that's why go down rent is always indirect expenses, not the direct. Kiran, got it? Factory rent is your direct expenses, but go down rent is your indirect expenses. Kishan, got it? Right, fine. So you have to write down these things. Payment mode, class name is go down rent, and your entry is go down rent, expenses account debit to cash, amount is debited and credited. But the breakup is not showing here. And we are going to save the entries. So write down these entries and write down the note here. Write down the notes. Write down the notes. At the time of entry, percentage wise breakup will not show up. Percentage wise breakup will not show up. Will not show up. After saving the entry, open it again. After saving it, open it again. Using page up key. Using page up key. Then you will find out percentage wise breakup. So you people write down this note very carefully. At the time of entry, percentage wise breakup will not show up. After saving it, open it again using page up key, and then you will find out percentage wise breakup. So first you will make your entry, save it and open it using the page up, then 30%, 25% and 45%, all the percentage wise breakup will be show up. But first time when you are making the entry, the percentage wise breakup will not show up. So you people write down these notes very carefully. Kishan, Kiran, Wahib, Sharup, Sivali, got it my points?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write
Sir,
down these
after
things.
saving it, then page up will key
After
press,
saving
then
it, then
percentage pickup is show.
using page of key, then you will find out the percentage wise breakup. Okay, Sharup.
Okay, sir.
Kishan, Kiran, got it? Nisha, got it? Lakshmi, Sangeeta, Sneha, Sumanjali, is there
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt? Then you can ask me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suresh got it? Sharup, okay?
Got it, sir.
Got it. Very good. So I
Yes, sir.
erasing these notes. So first we will do this entry and then save it. And then open it using the page up key from your keyboard. And now you will find out your percentage wise breakup. Howrah 15,000, Dalhousie 12,500, Gadia 22,500. So all these percentage wise breakup are coming here. So after saving it, you will find out. I think you people got it now. Kishan, Kiran, Sumanjali, Nisha, got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show repeat again, sir?
Yes, Sarup?
Can you repeat again, so sir?
So when we will page up, this entry is coming automatically, and then this percentage of breakup are showing here. First time you will not find out these things. When you will page up, your entry will be come again, and then automatically this percentage wise breakup values will be show up. Sharup, got it? Sharup, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is the technique for the predefined cost center. So I am showing you another entry of predefined cost center. So I am showing you this type of commission paid 30,000, Mr. Roy 20%, Mr. Das 65%, Mr. Shen 15%. So it is also the payment entry or the receiving entry. That doesn't matter. It may be the receiving entry or it may be the paymenting entry, but the process is same. So Nisha can tell me how you will make these entries. Nisha, tell me the steps for this entry. What we are going to do. Nisha, can you speak? And how we'll make it? Nisha, Lakshmi, can you tell me? Sangeeta? Shivali?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me how
First
we'll
go
make
to
this?
GOT.
First, go to GOT. Very good.
F11, F1.
So we are in GOT. So,
Sir,
Nisha, there is
F11.
no need to go to. Shivali,
Yes,
there is
sir.
no need to go to the GOT. If you will press F11, you
Yes,
can
sir.
press F11 from any position. Okay.
Any position. Yes, sir. F11,
Then
F1.
F1 and then
Then
predefined cost center.
enable.
Okay.
Yes,
Got it?
sir. Yes, sir.
And watch it. Our previous entry is showing here. You just press enter and just go to below position. So this is the area of category area. So you have to press again and you just come to the state of go down range. That means you are under now class name. So what will be our class name? Our class name will be commission. Got it?
Commission.
Right.
हेलो सर
So yes, yes.
सर अगर वो जो
So,
पहले वाला गोडाउन रेंट का है उसको डिलीट कर देंगे तो क्या वो सब भी डिलीट हो जाएगा जो वाउचर अभी क्रिएट
yes,
किए हैं
yes, you can't delete your previous entries because previous entries का ऊपर वो एक entry है तो उसको तुम delete नहीं कर सकते. Okay, got it?
ओके सर
So from this you are given the commission to your staff. That is the employee. Employee is our category, and you are now creating. This is the category of go down. Select your employee and make your employee's name here. What is the name of the employees? Shivali, Mr. Roy, Mr. Das, Mr. Shen. Good. Mr. Roy, 20%. Alt C, and we are Mr. Roy, 20%. Mr.
दास मिस्टर दास
Mr.
सर
Das, 65%. Mr. Das, 65%. And Mr.
मिस्टर
Shen,
सेन यस सर मिस्टर सेन
Mr. Shen,
15%.
right? Mr. Sen is your 15%. So you people got it. So your cost category will be employees and name of the cost center of Mr. Roy, Mr. Das and Mr. Sen. The percentages breakup is 20%, 65% and 15%. So Sharup, Shivali, Kishan, Kiran, you people got it. What is the difference between the previous cost center and this cost center? In our previous cost center, we are at the time of making the entries, we just put the values and this percentages
परसेंटेज वाइज
percentage
यस
is
सर
defined that uh, we are now define the percentage wise value breakup,
यस सर
and when we make the entries your value will be distributed according to this percentage. Shivali, Sharup, got it?
यस सर
Okay, fine. So now you have to press Ctrl A, and this is your starting entries, Shivali, and this is your second entries. Okay, you got it now?
यस सर गॉट इट
Okay. Then press Ctrl A and again Ctrl A. Then you have to save your entire procedure. Now go to payment. Select here using the spacebar. Select your cost center name. What is our cost center name is now? Commission.
सर
Commission, right? So
कमीशन
you select your proper commission and you have to select your ledger. This is our ledger commission. Commission will be indirect expenses and your cost center should be yes, and other things there is no need to set for the other things. So what is the amount?
30,000.
30,000. 30,000. Very good. So you will put here the 30,000 values here and press enter. Cash. So amount is not coming here, Shivali. Why? Percentage breakup are not showing here. What's wrong? Kishan, Kiran, Sumanjali,
सर सेव
anybody
करने
can
के बाद
say
फिर
that?
जब
Why you have
सेविंग पे
We should save it. First, we should save it. Then
so first time the breakup will not be show up. You first save your entries.
David.
After
Yes,
saving
sir.
these entries, when you will page up, open your entries, all the
Okay.
percentage of Roy, Mr. Das, and Mr. Shen, the values are show up here: 6,000, 19,500, 4,500. All the breakups of 30,000 is showing here. Got it, Shivali? Anup, Kishan,
Sir,
Kiran?
on the screen itself, we need to press page up button, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. You need to press page up button. When you will page up, press the page up key, then automatically this entry will show up. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So this is our predefined cost center. So I think we have already completed our cost center and cost categories. And
Sir?
now you people, yes, yes.
Sir, when we are creating Mr. Roy and Mr. Das and Mr. Sain names, then we need to press all C, sir, there for creation of the
Yes.
name of employees.
You have to use the Alt C, then you can create the employee's name and put your percentage 20%, 65%, 15%. And after doing all the things, you have to press Control A twice. Why? Because you save your entire procedure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So your entire things will be saved automatically. And remember one thing, the percentage wise breakup will not show up in your first time. So you first make these entries and save it, and then you again open it using the page up key. And when you use the page up key, all the percentage wise values breakup are showing here. So this is our cost center class name commission, and under this commission we have defined Mr. Roy, Mr. Das, and Mr. Sen percentage wise, and this is the percentage wise breakup values of 30,000 are showing here. So now you people open your books and watch it. Is there any doubt for the cost center entries? I am sharing with you. I'm help you if you find out any problem. So the page number is I am showing you. What is the page number, Sharup?
Sir, page number 46.
Page number 44. So you people open the page number 44, then you will find out the entries.
No, sir, 46. 46.
46. 46.
Yes, sir.
But in your books, amount
sir,
distribution is wrong.
46, sir.
Page number 46, right? But in your books, your page number 46, in your entries, percentage wise breakup and the value wise breakup, values are wrong. So in your, what is your first entry, Sharup?
सर एक्सरसाइज कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है वो बताएं.
हाँ हाँ बोलो. फर्स्ट एंट्री क्या है?
सर पेज नंबर 58 पेज नंबर.
Assignment page is 46. Sharup,
assignment
page
is 58.
No,
58.
sir.
Okay.
No.
So someone say 38, someone
No,
say
sir,
46.
it's wrong, sir. 58.
No, sir,
sir.
58.
Yes, sir. 58, sir. 58. By
58.
mistake, sir.
Okay, okay. So you people open the page number 58. What is the first number one entry, Sharup? Shivali, what is the first entry?
Sir, first create your company with your name and code.
Okay, you left this and then next.
Sir,
What's the
leisure
NT?
creation.
Ledger creation. Okay, fine. Then what is the NT? NT. Go to the NT directly.
Machinery. Machinery first.
So tell me the NT.
Sir, first leisure is machinery.
There is no need to say the ledgers. We have already know how to create the ledgers, match the group
Oh.
and put the equivalents. You will go to the direct entry. Okay. Go directly to your entries.
Sir, on 1st May, company sold an old machinery to Smart India Private Limited and received a check of SBI 21,870.
Okay, fine. So what will be the entry?
Sir, sales over.
What will be the journal entry? Just tell me the journal entry.
General. Sir, corporation bank account debit.
Ishan, Kiran, anybody can
Hello,
say that?
sir.
Yes.
Corporation bank account debit.
So what
Loss
is the
on
original value of the asset?
27,000.
no sir.
Original
21,870.
Sir, original
Original
value of asset is 1,25,000.
5,130 का तो लॉस हो गया है.
So loss is
1,25,000.
पहले tell me the information. Okay,
Sir,
first tell
WDV
me the
value is
information. What is the original value of the asset?
1,25,000. 25,000.
25,000. It is the original value of the
Sir,
assets.
1
Good.
lakh. 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Sir, one
Okay,
lakh
fine.
25,000 is the original cost.
original
And
cost of
sold
machinery.
it. Yes, sir.
Original cost
And
of the
sold
asset
it-
is 1,25,000. Sharup.
Yes, sir. Machinery
Sir.
1,25,000. And
And
sold
what is
it,
the
sir,
after the
21,000.
WDV? After the
Yes, sir.
WDV
Written down
written
value
down value, what
27,000.
is the value of the asset?
It's, sir, sold it 21,870 and written down value is
So I
27,000.
am asking you something. I am asking you something. The original value of the
Okay,
asset
sir.
is 1,25,000. So what is the
Yes, sir.
value after WDV? Written down value methods. What is the value of the asset now?
Sir, 27,000.
27,000.
27,000 is the current value of the asset.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And selling price?
Sir, selling price
Selling
is
price is 21,870.
Yes, Sarup, repeat it.
Sir, 21,870.
21,870.
800. Yes, sir.
So watch it. This is the original value of the asset, and after the WDV, you know WDV written down value methods. The current value of the asset is now 27,000 because after the depreciation calculate, the original value of the asset is now 27,000, and that value of the asset we are selling price is 21,870. So it is profit or loss?
Loss on
Loss
sale
on
of machinery, sir.
loss on
Sir,
sale.
loss
Very
on
good.
sale on machineries.
Very good. Very good. So what is the loss?
5,130.
Calculate it. Very good. So this
Sir,
is
5,000. Yes,
5130.
sir. This is right.
5130. This is our loss on sale of assets. So now you people tell me the proper journal entry. What will be the proper journal entry of this entry? Of this? Tell me.
corporation bank account debtor.
Just a minute. Corporation bank account debit. What will be the amount?
21,870.
21,870.
Loss on sale.
Loss on sale of assets.
5,130.
It will be a debit or credit?
Debit, sir.
5130. It will be debited.
To machinery.
To
Machinery.
machinery. It will be
27,000.
7,000.
Sir, but
Is there any doubt? Yes. Tell me. Is there any doubt
no.
of this? Any doubt? Yes, Kishan, Kiran, Samanjali, is there any doubt? Nisha? Sharup, Sivali? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, what type of entries it will be? Receipt, payment, contra
No, sir.
journal? What type of entries this is?
Receipt.
The received
It's a
entry.
receive entry.
F6.
Yes,
It will
sir.
be
Yes, sir. F6, sir.
receive entry. So, you people write down this entry. What is the question number? Sharup?
Sir, 3, sir. 3, sir.
Question number 3. Very good. So you
Yes, sir.
people write down the question number 3. Corporation bank account debit. Amount is 21870. Loss on sale of assets account debit. Acha, loss on sale of assets will be under which group? Kishan, Kiran, Sivali, Sumanjali, can you say that? Loss on sale of assets. What will be the group?
Sir, indirect.
Indirect
Indirect
expense.
expenses, sir.
Direct
Sir, indirect
expenses.
expenses.
Indirect.
Very good. Indirect expenses, this ledger will be show up in your profit and loss account.
Yes, sir.
This is the corporation bank account debit, loss on sale of assets account debit to machinery. So this is the final entry. You people write down these entries and I will show you how you will make this entry in Tally. First you will write down this entry. Write down हो जाएगा तो मेरे को बोलना. Then I will show you how to make this entry in Tally. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? Can I move in Tally?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ishan, Kiran,
Yes, sir.
Sudhakar, Wahib, done it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So first we will go to the F6, receive, change your date to 5. It is credit. So what will coming first? Machinery.
Machinery. Yes, sir.
Machinery, sir.
So there is no machinery. First you have to create the machinery layer. Machinery will be your fixed assets. But when you use the Alt C, then you will not put the opening balance. शिवाली लेजर में देखो मशीनरी का ओपनिंग बैलेंस है ना स्टार्टिंग में?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
here.
What is the opening balance of machinery?
1,25,000.
Very good. So just watch one thing when you use the Alt C, because this ledger at the opening balance you have to create at the very beginning, but we have not created this ledger. We are using the Alt C, so that's why you have created. But there is no option to put your opening balance. Now first time you save it, and again you will just go to the machinery ledger and press Ctrl Enter. When you will modify this ledger using the Ctrl Enter, then you will find out the position of opening balance. Okay, got it. So 1,25,000. You people got it? When you will make Alt C, the first time your opening balance breakup will not be possible. So you save the entry, you save the ledger, and then again move over it and press Ctrl Enter. Ctrl Enter means you can modify the ledgers. So you select the machinery ledger, press Ctrl Enter. So automatically it will be opened and you can use your opening balance. Got it? So what is the value of the machinery?
27,000, sir.
27,000. And debit, Corporation Bank.
Corporation Bank. Sir, it's created. So
Use Alt C, Corporation Bank. It will be under the bank account. Control A. What will be the amount for the Corporation Bank?
that 21,807.
21,870. And if there is any instrument number, means check number, you have already know that. I just put the
Yes,
check
sir.
number here. And what will be the debit? We have to create another ledger. Loss on sale of machinery. Loss on sale of machinery. And it will be your expenses indirect, and it will be show up in your profit and loss account. Got it? Loss on sale of machinery will be under your indirect expenses, and there is no need to set cost center, so put yes. Yes को off करके no कर देना, because there is no need to for our cost center. So this is complete our entries. So you people, if you wish, you can take the screenshot. Kishan, Kiran, Sumanjali, Nisha, Wahib, got it? Shivali, Sharup.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you wish, you can take the screenshot of these entries. Good, very good. Take the screenshot. Got it? Now we are going to next question, question number 3. 3 completed, question number 4. Sharup, what is the question number 4?
Sir, on 1/5/2016, company paid the staff salary 55,000. Depends on the percentage given in below mentioned table. Pass the entry in such a way so that we can able to view the salary details.
So which type of entries is this, Sharup? It is a predefined cost center entries?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you people write down in your books, it is predefined cost center entries, but amount is showing wrong. This amount will be at the end of the page. एकदम लास्ट में स्वरूप देखो लिखा हुआ है ना सैलरी का ब्रेकअप परसेंटेज, एकदम लास्ट में पेज के एंड में.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So write down one thing. Question number 4 का amount का breakup वो जो नीचे दिया हुआ है वो गलत दिया. Actually question number 4 का amount breakup होगा end of the question. स्वरूप कितना नंबर है उसका?
सर वो 5 का है।
हाँ तो 4 का क्वेश्चन का अमाउंट मैच करेगा 5 का साथ।
हाँ और सर 5 का सर 4 के साथ मैच
और
करेगा आई
5
थिंक।
का 4 का साथ मैच करेगा। So you
Yes, sir.
people rectify in your books. Question number 4 amount will be matched with your amount of question number 5 and question number 5 का मैच करेगा 4 का साथ। Right Sharu?
Yes.
Shivali got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Shivali, Kishan, Kiran, Waif,
Yes, sir. Got it.
Sumanjali, Nisha, got it?
Yes, sir.
Question number 4, what amount you have to watch it for question number 5 and question number 5 values amount you have to watch it from question number 4. That is the wrong position. Okay, so it is the printable mistake.
Okay, sir.
So question number 4, any doubt? Question number 4, simply predefine cost center. We have already done it. Any doubt? Nisha, Sumanjali?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then move to question number 5. Then directly move to question number 5 and tell me what will be the entry. Write down the question number 5 and then tell me what type of entries it is.
Sir, question number 5 is
Sir, payment entry.
Normal payment entries or something special type of payment entries. You just watch it.
Sir, it's cost center, cost category, sir.
sir advanced
Sir.
cost
So
center
which
class
type of?
category.
Very good, very good, very good. Who said that?
It is
Advanced
advanced
cost
type.
center?
Yes,
Who
sir.
said that first?
Sir,
I
Diwali.
think the Shivani, sir.
Diwali, very good. It is advanced
Advanced.
cost center. Advanced cost center. Very good. So what will be the our categories and what will be our center? So everything are spending for the advertisement. So in this question number 5,
Advertisement is our category.
category will be your advertisement. Category
Yes, sir.
will be your advertisement and all will
Center
be
is
under centers.
yes, sir.
All will be under centers. So give me an example. That is the newspaper. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So a newspaper will be cost center.
Yes, sir.
Newspaper will be cost center and under will be primary.
Yes, sir.
Newspaper will be cost center, under will be primary, and under this newspaper, Sunmark, what is the
Times,
name
sir.
of the paper?
Times of India.
Times of
Statement.
India, Sunmark,
Statement.
Times of
Statesman,
India,
This is
Sunward,
our sub.
Sunmark,
and
another
Statesman. sir.
Statesman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Statesman.
It is, sir,
So
under
all these
under
newspaper,
newspaper, sir.
very good.
Newspaper. Yes, sir.
All these 3 newspapers marking with yellow that will be created. All these things. The newspaper will be cost
newspaper.
center under primary, and all these things have to create it under new cost center. All these things will be made under cost center, and under that will not be the primary, that will be newspaper. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you people, in our previous class, we have already write down these things. newspaper, first you have to create it under cost center and it will be primary for the newspaper. And when you will create the Times of India, it will be cost center under newspaper head you have to select. Got it? So I am showing you the one thing. So those people miss the first class. So I am just showing you the first things. So watch it. So first go to the accounts info category. All the categories will be under advertisement expenses. Both options should be yes. Done it? So after that, you will create all the things in your cost center. So use the backspace, select your advertisement expenses. All the setup will be done under advertisement expenses. First you have to create newspaper under primary. You people got it? Kishan, Kiran, Sumanjali, Nisha, any doubt? Wahid, Suresh, any doubt?
No doubt.
No, sir.
Advertisement
No, sir.
expenses, name will be newspaper and it will be under primary. So after that, when you will create your newspaper name, you type here Times of India and it will be under your newspaper. This is the setting. This is the setting. Simple. Very simple. Sunmark will be under newspaper. Statesman under newspaper. So all the things you have to put here. And next, Shivali, what is the next after the newspaper?
Sir,
Swaroop, after the
news
newspaper?
channel,
News channel.
websites, banner, poster.
So
Yes, sir,
news channel will be cost center under primary and poster, banner, everything will be under cost center and under instead of newspaper you have to
Poster, banner
select
will be under
poster, banners you have to create and that will be under, tell me, that will be under
advertisement.
Cost
Primary,
center.
sir.
Under primary, sir.
So we have created the newspaper here. So next time we have to create, tell me the name.
That's website and banner. This two will be under primary.
No, websites and banners. What will be the under heading? Like Times of India, Sunmark, Statesman under the newspaper. So first you have to create the newspaper under cost center. So what is the first cost center name? Arup?
Sir,
हेलो सर
Yes.
सर पोस्टर तो अंडर एडवर्टाइजमेंट के अंदर आएगा क्योंकि उसका कोई सब कॉस्ट सेंटर नहीं
फर्स्ट
है
हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे शिवाली? पोस्टर एंड बैनर.
पोस्टर और बैनर एडवर्टाइजमेंट के कैटेगरी में आएगा इसके अंडर कुछ नहीं आएगा सर प्राइमरी
yes sir.
उसका
And
अंदर कुछ
then
नहीं
হচ্ছে
और उसका बाद
न्यूज चैनल के लिए सब कॉस्ट सेंटर उसका है न्यूज चैनल के
न्यूज चैनल.
and then sir न्यूज चैनल के अंडर में होगा BBC and Star News.
News channel. Achha, just watch the one thing. News channel will be under cost center and it will be under
and
primary.
primary
Got
sir.
it?
Yes sir
Primary.
BBC
And
न्यूज अंडर
after that,
न्यूज चैनल होगा
BBC, then
स्टार न्यूज
BBC, Star, then
और कुछ नहीं है सर ये सब
Only
न्यूज
two,
चैनल
sir.
के अंदर आएगा
so BBC and Star will be
अंडर न्यूज चैनल
right.
Under sir news channel होगा.
Under news channel. Got it? And I like this under cost center. Create the cost center. All these things will be cost center. So BCC Star News, all will be made under the cost center, and under will be your news channel. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just showing one thing. News channel will be under primary,
Yes,
and
sir.
after that BBC. BBC will be under news channel. Star News will be under news
The
channel.
news channel.
Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
And poster and banner will be only the primary. There will be no sub cost center. It is the only main cost center. Got it?
Sir, poster under primary.
सर leaflets भी तो है
पोस्टर
ना
अलग है, बैनर अलग है. सर,
सर leaflets
Poster,
भी है ना
poster, banner, leaflet
सर
एक साथ है
पोस्टर
अलग
अलग
है?
था, बैनर अलग था.
वो पोस्टर अलग था, बैनर अलग था.
सब अलग
Wait.
अलग है सर.
अच्छा,
Yes,
पोस्टर, बैनर, लीफलेट ये तीनों अलग है. मतलब ये कोई सब कॉस्ट सेंटर नहीं है.
हाँ सर. नहीं सर. और वेबसाइट भी है.
पोस्टर अंडर प्राइमरी. सो इस तरह का सबका इंडिविजुअल है, बट देयर इज नो सब कॉस्ट सेंटर, राइट?
Yes sir, no sub cost center.
Okay, got it. So at the time of making entries, we will move to F5 payment, and there will be no predefined cost center, place enter, not applicable. First, you have to create the advertisement ledger. If there is no advertisement ledger, so first you have to advertisement expenses ledger here. It will be indirect expenses, cost center will be yes. What is the entire amount, Shivali?
Sir, 65,000.
55,000, very good.
No sir, 65,000.
55,000. It will be the advertisement, and first
65,000.
we will not select the news channel. So under this news channel, under the newspaper, first we have to
Times of
select
India.
Times of India.
Times
Very
of
good.
India.
And what is the amount?
10,000.
So only the breakup amount of Times of India, and then
Sunmark.
Sunmark. What is the
Yes,
value
sir.
of Sunmark?
12,000. 12,000.
12,000. Very good. And then
Statesman.
Statesman. What is the value of
18,000.
Statesman? 18,000. And after that?
Yes sir.
After that?
1,500. Poster sir.
Which one?
Poster.
Poster. 1,500.
Yes sir.
Then
Leaflets.
sorry,
Leaflets sir.
leaflet. So you are not creating the leaflet
Yes.
using the Alt C. What is the amount of leaflet?
1,000. Hello sir.
1,000. Then yes. Then
Total amount 65,000 होगा.
65,000 होगा. Okay. I'll change it.
Yes.
Okay.
नहीं
Just
सर
tell me.
65,000 सर 55,000 ही होगा वो क्वेश्चन तो एक ही है ना क्वेश्चन सही है लेकिन उसका जो डिवाइडेड है वो अलग है
4 का जो क्वेश्चन
4 का
आप टोटल
क्वेश्चन
करके देखिए.
डिवाइडेड नीचे होगा तो
आप एक बार टोटल करके देखिए. ये सब
Yeah, total
65,000 आ
कर
रहा है.
no problem. I will get the total, then we will find out the value, whether it will be the 55,000 or 65,000. Tell me the breakup. Then next.
Sir, वेबसाइट सर, ये भी क्रिएट
Website.
करना होगा। यस सर।
ये क्या कॉस्ट सेंटर में होगा तो?
यस सर।
Website. What is the amount?
4,000।
4,000. Then
बैनर
banner बना?
नो सर, बनाना होगा। 5,000।
5,000. Then
BBC न्यूज।
so you will not select the news channel. We have to select only the breakup values. BBC News. What is the amount of BBC News?
8,000।
8,000.
यस सर।
So the amount will be 65,000 definitely. Okay.
यस सर।
So you people correct the amount also. So 55,000 will be Shibali, 55,000 will be the percentage
सैलरी का है सर।
percentage breakup.
हाँ,
Percentage
उसका
wise
है।
cost center जो है उसके लिए 55,000, but our advance cost center entries amount will be 65,000. Got it?
5 नंबर क्वेश्चन जो है वो एडवांस कॉस्ट सेंटर के लिए है सर, और 4 नंबर जो
हाँ
है
जो
वो प्री डिफाइंड कॉस्ट सेंटर के लिए।
राइट, तो प्री डिफाइंड कॉस्ट सेंटर के लिए अमाउंट होगा दिस 55,000 और हम लोगों का इस एंट्री के लिए अमाउंट का ब्रेकअप होना चाहिए 65,000. राइट शिवाली?
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay, okay, fine. So this is the technique, and now we have to change the values. 65,000, and then give me the breakup. BCC. What is the amount?
8,000।
BCC 8,000. Complete?
स्टार न्यूज। नो सर, स्टार न्यूज एक और है।
स्टार न्यूज है। स्टार न्यूज तो हम लोग बना लिया था। राइट, आई हैव डन इट।
यस सर।
तो कैश और बैंक?
सर बैंक।
Corporation Bank. So give the check number. So this is the breakup of these entries. So you people, if you wish, you can take the screenshot. Shivali, it is completed.
यस सर, कंप्लीटेड।
So you people just rectify in your books. So 55,000 which is given, it is for the predefined cost center, and our this advanced cost center entries amount, total amount breakup will be 65,000. Right, Shivali?
यस सर, राइट।
Sharup, Kishan, Kiran, Sumanjali, Nisha, Wahib. Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, okay. So rectify it in your books. Amount and
sir.
the question number. So 4 goes to 5 and 5 goes to 4, and the amount also. 55,000 will be goes to your predefined cost center, and our advanced cost center entries will be the amount breakup will be 65,000. Very good. So after saving the entries, how you will check the report? Shivali, can you tell me how you will check the cost center wise report?
सर GOT डिस्प्ले,
GOT display,
स्टेटमेंट
statement of
ऑफ अकाउंट,
accounts, cost
कॉस्ट
center.
सेंटर।
This is your category summary, cost center breakup, anything you can check it.
यस सर।
So watch it, advertisement expenses. So this is the newspaper. When you will press the enter, all the newspaper are showing here. Watch it, Sunmark, Statesman, Times of India. Shivali, all these are showing properly.
यस सर।
And when you will goes to the news channel, press enter. So under the news channel, BBC and Star News, it is showing properly.
यस सर।
So here, news channel is our main cost center, and under the news channel, BBC and Star News is our sub cost center,
Sub
right?
cost center.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So BBC, Star News,
Yes,
we
sir.
can say that it is the sub cost center. Very good, very good. So you have done it. Next question. Next question.
Hello, sir.
Yes, next question.
Company withdrawn 5,000 from Corporation Bank on
Oh,
2/5/2006,
what is the number? What is the number of this question?
sir.
Question number 6. So company withdrawn cash from the corporation bank.
Yes, sir.
So
For
which type of
office use.
entry? Which type of entry is this? Is cash is withdrawing from bank?
Receipt entry.
Contra, sir.
Which
Contra
one?
entry.
Kishan, Kiran? Contra entry.
Contra,
Very
sir.
good.
Contra entry,
Very
sorry,
good.
contra
Yes.
It will be F4, contra entry.
entry. Yes, sir.
So write
Cash,
down these things in your books. It is F4 contra entry. And what is the entry?
cash account debit to Corporation Bank.
Cash account debit. What is the amount, Shivani?
5,000.
Cash account debit to corporation bank.
Corporation Bank.
So it will be your contra entry. So it is very easy. So there is no need to show it in your tally. I think it is very easy. Kishan, Kiran,
Yes, sir.
Samanjali, Sarup, Shivali. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you people do it.
Yes, sir.
Tally.
Yes, sir. It's easy, sir.
So next 20. So next 20.
Sir, BRS, sir.
Next BRS. So we
Yes.
have to learn the BRS. So you people know the BRS. BRS, the full form is Bank Reconciliation Statements. हम लोगों को बैंक का कैश बुक और पासबुक दोनों को साथ मैच कराना है. You have to balancing the cash book and passbook of the bank. So this technique is called the bank reconciliation statements. So in manually we have to add some things and less some things, and then after that we can match our cash book to passbook or passbook to cash book. So according to that we have to match these accounting treatments for the banking system. So this system is called the bank reconciliation statement. But in Tally, we don't have too much more hazard to maintain that. So you will learn how to make BRS in Tally. So right. So this technique is totally different from manual accounting systems. So I will show you a bank reconciliation statements. So it is a educational version, so all the dates will not be put in here. Only the first and second and 31st of any month we can accept here. So only these 3 dates we can use here. So proper BRS is not possible here. So it will be possible only for the original software. But I will show you how to make these bank reconciliation statements and how you will make it possible. Okay. So according to your books, there is a bank statement, right, Shivali? Page number 49. That
Yes,
is a
sir.
small bank. There is a small bank statements, and one thing you have to remember that in our bank statement, uh, which is the debit balance, that will be our credit balance, and our credit balance will be your bank statement debit balance. That is the vice versa. You people know it. In our cash book, what is our debit column, and that will be the credit column of your bank statement. Shivali, know it?
No, sir.
You don't know because you are not a student of commerce.
सर कॉमर्स के तो है पर BRS उतना अच्छा से नहीं आता.
कभी बैंक स्टेटमेंट देखा है तुम लोग? किशन, किरण,
हाँ सर, हाँ
मंजलि,
सर देखिए.
अरूप?
Yes, sir.
तो बैंक स्टेटमेंट में क्या होता है? बैंक स्टेटमेंट में सीरियल नंबर होता है, डेट होता है, ट्रांजैक्शन डेट होता है, ट्रांजैक्शन का पर्टिकुलर्स होता है, then uska baad debit column and credit column. Basically, which is our debit column, that will be the credit column of the bank. So this is the technique. Now got it?
Yes.
Manjali, Kiran,
Yes,
sir.
ready.
everybody? Right. So पासबुक और बैंक बुक में जो मैच होता है इसमें बैंक स्टेटमेंट में जो हम लोगों का डेबिट कलम होता है वो हम लोगों का क्रेडिट कलम होता है और हम लोगों का जो क्रेडिट कलम होता है वो हम लोगों का बैंक स्टेटमेंट का डेबिट कलम होता है. दैट इज द वाइस वर्सा. ओके, Sonali, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the treatment of BRS. So before we are going to start BRS, so it is the not the manual BRS
सर
system, it
बैंक
is
तो
the
नॉमिनल
computer.
अकाउंट को फॉलो करता है ना सर?
Right. So this BRS is very easy, and manually in our BRS system, some ledgers we have to add and some ledgers we have to less according to our rules, and something will be added, something will be less, and then your cash book and bank book will be matched. But there will be nothing to do in Tally. We have to maintain the procedure of Tally to maintain the BRS. So I think in our next class we will start the BRS. Okay, so already going to 8, so I think it is a little bit of time consuming. So in our next class we will start the these BRS systems, and first I will show you in Excel, and after that we will
স্যার
doing it in our Tally part. Yes,
স্যার একবার
yes, Swarup.
এক্সেল শিটটা খুলবেন, ওটা একবার স্ক্রিনশট নেবো একটু.
Yes. This one, Arul?
Yes sir, yes sir.
So just wait, I am clearing it. Now it's clear, Swarup?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার, yes sir, clear sir.
Okay, you can take it. Got it, Swarup?
Yes sir, got it sir.
And you need this
Thank you, sir.
sentence. So you people, you need this sentence, then you can take the screenshot. Got it? Ishan, Kiran, you people got this screenshot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
in our next class, we will start the BRS. Thank you. Good night.
Thank
And
you, sir.
take
Good
care,
night.
Yes,
everybody.
sir.
Good
Good
night.
night, sir.
Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
and good night. Good night.